Okay guys, I told y'all that I was working on our baseboards around the house. Now I'm working on changing the chandeliers out. When I did this room, I broke that round thing that go to that bulb. And we can't find these little bit of bulbs anymore. So I am changing all the ceiling fans out today. Well, I probably get to 2 because I still haven't painted my ceiling, but they ceilings are painted. So yeah, and this is the ceiling fan I'm going with, which I think I showed you guys this. Oh my god, I showed you guys this. The ceiling fan I'm going with, a little bit bigger than this 44 inch, so it's going to be a 52 inch. And yeah, let's just get into it.
Yeah, it's the one. Whoa, whoa, yeah, yeah. Got me tied down on the way to the beach. 4 bad chicks in the middle of the street. Roll right up in the yard.
Hold on, can I, before you start recording? This only one?
Yeah, I took the other 2 out. Slide. You push it out this way.
Your way?
Yeah. Push up and then come out. Okay, this is the ceiling fan kit, and it comes with the 5 blades. These things that go on the blade. And that would be my first to do thing. To put the the screws in here. And there are all the stuff that you're going to need. Okay. This is the first layer of that. And that's the second layer. It comes with a mount, a motor, and the light kit. And here, yeah. And it also comes with a LED light. So what we're finna do is put this stuff together first. Put everything I need to put together on the ground before I get to stand up. So I'm gonna open it, and I'm gonna turn it on this side because I want that side to be facing down. But if you wanted that side to be facing down, you turn it on this side and have that side facing down. But I want that side facing down, so I just turn it like that. Hold on. You ready? Yep. Okay, this to go at. And I'm just gonna put it this way. And it come with the screws. So just take the screws and put it on here. Like that, like so. Okay, you do this 4 more times and then you line them up. And I'll show it to you. Okay, all done with that. Bracket up. Good bracket. Motor up. Wires connect. All wires have been connected. Let's see, do the motor mount work. Okay, motor mount work. Now gotta get it connected. Get the screws up here, then we'll be back. Screws up. Screws up. Cover it up to hide the motor mount. Screws came on bracket, so you have to take one arm out and unscrew the other one halfway. Piece on to cover the motor mount. And now it's time for the blades. Screws on fan blades. 2 on each.
So, the fan was...
Okay, all 5 of them is up, and it's time to put the light on. So, light attachment up. Light attached. Let's see, do it come on before we connect it? Lights on, fan is on fast. Okay, let's connect it. And then I'm gonna see why it's sounding like a triangle. Okay, now the ceiling fan match their lamp in both rooms. Okay, that is the fan in its entirety. So, yeah, what you hear is Carlos' computer. I don't know why his computer sounds so crazy, but this is the fan. Let me let you see it when it's off.
You need to clean it out.
Okay, so everything up here is again changed to that gold looking stuff. I mean silver looking stuff. And we're taking the bronze down and the silver is coming up here. So we got one more room to do. And that's what it's gonna be. Okay, that's how Carlos' fan used to look. So we're in Licia room and we're finna switch over to this. So I think I'm gonna wait on Mill again. So as I was telling you guys, I'm gonna wait till Ishmael come and then we're gonna see what's going on with this thing. I think the mount is not tight enough, so we're gonna have to take it down and retighten the mount. So I got to take the blades back down and then take the little silver piece down and then see, can I get this thing to run a little quieter than what it was running. But as I was stating in the last thing, the last clip, that they ceiling fan now matches the lamps. So both of them got the same lamps, and them lamps came from Ashley Furniture. And this ceiling fan came from Home Depot, as I told you guys. So I got two more. Well, one more of these ceiling fans to get, because I want my ceiling fan to be like a chandelier. But I do want it to have that silver dome and these silver things. So I've been looking at Overstock, and then I looked at Amazon. I've been looking at where to find me the cheapest chandelier ceiling fan I can. So yeah, I'm just pricing around for that. But this fan is gonna be all over the house. So it one gonna go downstairs in the TV room. Then one gonna go in the basement, and one gonna go on the other side too. But we doing it a little bit at a time, and I'm just doing all my lights over, so everything can have that little silver hue to it instead of the brass, like the dark brass like that. Because I'm not a fan anymore, and I'll never have the gold in here, never, because I don't like gold fixtures. I like silver. Oh, excuse me for the yawn, but yeah, so I'm finna undo my work and then get to it. Alright, y'all. Okay, this is the problem here. This was on the darn motor, so that's why it was so loud. So I gotta make sure the wires are up in the thing. Now I can mount this thing back, because I'm like, why is this fan so loud? So the wires was touching the motor breaking like that. So you see it's quiet now. So let's go on and put it back together. Okay, problem has been fixed. Fan is running quietly and it's blowing great air. So I'll see you guys on the next one. Oh, I'm gonna come back and let you see when I put the light bulb up here. But I just had to make sure that it was running quietly. So yeah, I'll close it out then. With this fan, you have to take your hand in the inside of here and untighten this. And it's three little screws that you have to untighten. I don't know if I'm tiny. Okay, globe up. Okay, globe is up and fan is on. Feeling so cool in this room. Thank you guys for watching, and I will see you on the next one. Bye, guys.
One thing led to the next, and she got her hands all over my body. I ain't trying